Hey guys, welcome back to the next video. In this video, we are going to, I'm going to give you a demo of what two things we're going to cover. In terms of architecture of this particular training. So we're going to cover a standalone mode, which is going to have like a physical, you can have a physical virtual cloud or laptop server, just like mine. You're going to have an operating system on that, which is CentOS, and then you're going to have a domain created. Firstly, we're going to create a development domain, which is that we name it as development domain. There's no specific criteria here as a development domain, but we're going to name it as development domain, and we're going to use admin server to deploy our applications on the admin server directly. So this is the fastest method of deploying your application, and more or less for the testing purposes and development purposes, you don't actually require a JVM to be created because admin server is itself a JVM. So we're going to use that. So going forward, we will also use a clustering mode over here where you can see that. Let me just get that one correctly for you. So here you see we're going to have two operating systems. You're going to have each domain each, and then you're going to have two JVMs across. So this is going to be a horizontal clustering, and in which that I'm going to show you around how to create a cluster out of these two servers. So this is basically prod tele cluster. Here, this is prod tele admin. So this is going to be administered by an administration's domain. So that's going to administer these two servers, and that's basically what we're going to cover in the future down the line videos. And of course, we're going to cover all those things which I promised you on the first video, but then it takes time to get to that part of things. Thank you again for watching this video. See you on the next one.